Activating your new Scotiabank credit card is quick and can usually be done in minutes. The method depends on your card type. For Visa and American Express cards, online activation. Visit scotiabank.com/activate credit card. Have your new card ready. 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to sign into online banking if you already have an account. In-store activation. Make a purchase at any store that accepts your card and enter your PIN. Check the sticker on the card for eligibility. For MasterCard, call the number and follow the automated prompts to activate. Important notes: only the primary cardholder can activate the card. Once activated, you can start using the card immediately. Have your card details and personal information, SEN, date of birth, ready for verification. If you face issues, contact Scotiabank customer service.